Hey guys, John here with Costa Rica Escapes and Explorations. Last week, our friend Kurt brought us a video from his daughter's chocolate farm, so I thought it'd be cool to show you guys the finished product. We are at a gourmet chocolate shop called Cebu outside of San Jose, so let's go in, take a peek. Now these are called nibs. They're cocoa beans that have been passed through a machine that removes the dry cocoa pulp, pieces of pot, and other materials. They've also been roasted already so their shells can be easily removed. Once the beans have been cleaned and roasted, we move on to the grinding part of the process. The grinding of the beans is usually done in a milling or grinding machine such as the one we see here. The nibs are crushed to liquefy the cocoa butter and produce what is now called liquid chocolate. Different percentages of cocoa butter and sugar are added to the liquid chocolate. Cocoa butter carries the flavor of the chocolate and produces a cooling effect that you might notice when eating dark chocolate. Now, this liquid chocolate is the final result after a few hours in the grinding machine once the sugar and cocoa butter have been added. This mass contains the cocoa particles suspended in about 55% mixture of fat or cocoa butter. At this point, the liquid chocolate is used for different things. This is a tempering machine, which is the control process of raising, lowering, and raising the temperature of the chocolate to form exactly the right kind of crystals. Tempering can be done by hand, but the process would be incredibly time-consuming for the large amounts of chocolate that manufacturers have to work with. So most use tempering machines that will keep the melted chocolate circulating at exactly the right temperature, making the final step easier. Molding is the final step in making a chocolate bar, which is basically pouring it into a mold. The formula that each manufacturer develops for combining specific ingredients is what gives different types of chocolate its unique taste. Once cooled, the chocolate is wrapped and ready to go. Just like coffee beans, cocoa beans have characteristics specific to their geographical origin. The cocoa butter content and flavor profiles are unique to a certain region and variety of beans. Here, we see different flavors of chocolate bars and different concentrations, semi-dark, dark, and 100% pure. Here we see cocoa powder, an unsweetened chocolate product used to make desserts and beverages. There are many different flavors including chocolate mint, Aztec or spicy, classic cocoa, and unsweetened. Another popular item here at Cebu Artisan Chocolate are the truffles and bonbons, filled with 100% natural and organic ingredients. The quality and flavor of these products have won this boutique shop international awards. These are the chocolate-coated fruits and nuts. They offer 11 different flavors and you can choose between white or dark chocolate coating. And finally, this artisan shop produces sugar-free chocolate for those with dietary restrictions.
Gracias por visitar Chocolate Cebu, donde elaboramos los mejores chocolates artesanales de Costa Rica.
Los esperamos pronto.